Hello guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Today we'll make a 3D model from this drawing. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we will click on new part environment, then click on OK. Okay, now see, we'll make this model from top. Okay, the top dimension is these. It's 20 and 40 and it is 40. Okay, so let's start. Click on extrude, then click on top plane. Okay guys, this is 20 mm 40 mm 40 mm. It is 20 mm. It's showing in inches because unit is inches. We have to change it in mm. Again it edit it. Okay, then click on extrude. The thickness is 10 mm. Okay, so click on OK. Now we will create this part which is on top. Okay, the dimension is 20 and this one is also 20 and it is extruded 20 mm. Okay, so again we will click on extrude, select this plane and take rectangular, then it is 20, and click on finish and it should be 20. Okay, now make it isometric this. Okay guys, your model is ready from this drawing. Okay, now we will color this. We'll provide the color just like this. Okay, your model is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to comment also. Bye.